And we're on, I think. Yeah, I think we're
Yeah.
on. Yep. Hey guys.
Hi guys. There's something missing.
Yeah, there's something missing.
Something missing.
Yeah,
this week.
he's already in the chat. Yeah.
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 So Carlos is not good.
This is Electronics Channel Live today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry about that. Carlos is not good. So just Det and myself.
Yeah, we're sitting at the wrong bench, right? We don't normally sit at the other bench.
Oh yeah, we could have live streamed from over there. We could have gone to the other location.
Nah,
Yeah.
come on. Now
Yeah.
we're sitting here, got our nice refreshments.
Yeah, exactly. So there's just the two of us. We may we might shorten this one this week. We may not run the whole 2 hours because without Carlos, life is a bit pointless, really. But
Yeah, Carlos is just saying my back is extremely bad today, so I won't be joining the live show. Can't barely walk.
Yeah.
So we'll be joining the chat today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody, type some get well to Carlos, please.
Yeah. So unfortunately, Carlos was hoping to make it, and the cancellation was such short notice. We didn't want to cancel the live stream. So as I said, Det and myself are coming for a while. So you've got us for a while this evening. That's the best thing we can say.
Yeah, this is a problem, Paul. Who will unscrew today?
Exactly.
We don't know.
We don't know.
Yeah. We're helpless without Carlos.
Exactly. And who will blow things up or burn things? But actually, morning, Greg. It's morning where Greg is. Evening, PM. Christmas evening where PM Christmas. What can we talk about? So, first thing, who was saying about these Lumma Steeler things?
Carther was it?
Carther.
You guys saw the episode where Richard nearly got hacked.
Yep, very nearly got hacked.
Yeah. And where we did some analyzing there. And Carlos, I think, went further there. And he said,
Carther.
Sorry, Carther, sorry. I'm mixing up people here. Where was the comment? Over there. Checking Richard concerned, and Carther got to the point where he said this looks like the Lumma Steeler, Lumma Steeler, and Richard already checked on the other machine for that.
Yeah, and I found this. So this is something those really nice Russian people did. It says straight away, basically. So this has come from Russian-speaking forums since at least August, a bit less than 2 years ago, about 2 years ago. Mentions who they thought actually wrote this, and it's primarily targeting cryptocurrency wallets, which I don't use. Two-factor authentication, which I do use on my YouTube channel. And ultimately stealing sensitive information from the victim's machine. Okay. Once the target data is obtained, it is exfiltrated to a C2 server. Request using
you could say sent to.
Oh, it's sent to. Okay.
Exfiltrated.
So effectively, they can kind of like make it look like it's me trying to upload or do things to my YouTube channel. And bypass the two-factor authentication, which I have. So basically the two-factor, and we actually can tell you about this today because when Detlef and myself came in to live stream, for some reason the computer asked if we would log in to the live chat, which it normally just automatically does, and we had to go, oh, Carlos is the only one that knows the password.
There was a moment of panic. Yeah.
There was a moment of panic there. So yeah, this is what these nasty people try to do. And all I can say is it's a good job it was Canon and not Nikon. Otherwise, Det would have been that button.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, so this was a bit scary. Yeah. And some people said, okay, Canon won't contact you. I got a bit behind the scenes here, so this is not so uncommon for Richard to get really good offers from companies to say, okay, you want to check out our product here? We were talking about yesterday.
So even Carlos, you don't know this because you're not here. So this week I was approached. I could go and find the name of the company who are launching a range of CO2 lasers in the EU, and these things are like best part of between $3,000 and $4,000. And they said they've offered me one. In fact, I have the contract to sign now. So that's a similar thing where somebody wants to send you 4 grand's worth of kit, and it's real. and there's no download this or click on this button.
Yeah.
It's just literally within the email a text contract. So Carlos, we have it looks like a 80 watt CO2 laser coming. We could try that on his back.
Oh yeah. This is probably helps.
This will probably help.
We were talking about this yesterday evening, and we were talking about what the video about, and I said, okay, let's go through the don't do this with the thing and do this with the thing. So you maybe want to blow this up then later. I should get us back in shot here. Yeah.
Oh, we're back on. That's better.
Yeah.
That's better.
Yeah,
much better. Yeah. So anybody, any ideas what we could do with a? I think it's 80 watt CO2 laser cutter operator. It must be like that thing, like the EMH of Star Trek. You know, when we lay Carlos on here.
That would be an interesting.
That would be, yeah, that would be a good episode.
80 watt can cut metals. Yo, I'm getting some ideas. Yeah. Solder, yeah, probably, yeah. Since our solar soldering didn't work.
Oh yeah. We won't tell you. We have some more ideas about the solar soldering. So if we do have time this week, we might try that again. We think we know where we went wrong now, don't we?
Yeah.
So we will be trying the solar.
There were some helpful ideas from you guys. Yeah.
There was.
Thank you very much.
Drills the centre of the earth solder. Who said thank you? Oh, Lawn Dog. Yeah, thank you very much. I have been busy this week making a lot of videos, and I have a whole load of them set up for next week as well. So yeah, thank you.
Okay. I got one. Olympics is stopping tonight. So
the Olympics.
Yeah. And I was thinking about, I don't watch this, and I thought, what must be in there that I would probably watch this? And this is something where I want to hear you guys. If you don't watch the Olympics, and you think, okay, what kind of sport would be in there that would make you watch the Olympics? What kind of sport must be in there to watch you the Olympics?
Well, I did say synchronized shagging. Could
of
be
course.
A sport. Could be a sport. But when I think about it, actually, I think the Olympics should go back to the roots of the Olympics.
Yeah.
And you just do it naked.
Yeah. I was watching Cleo Abrams about tech in sports, and she said something about running shoes, and I thought, go back to being naked. Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I don't care about the guys, but some of the girls, yeah.
Actually, have you seen some of them girls? Some of it. Debatable. There you go.
I know what I could do there. I know what I could do there on the Olympics. I could do long sleeping.
Oh!
Yeah, if this would be Olympic discipline, I would be probably now in Paris somewhere.
Lidl has a thermal imaging camera on offer for €100. Anyone else seen this? No, I've not seen that. And daily, I've not seen it. Is this what do they call it, Park something, that like the brand that Lidl sells?
Parkside.
Is this a Parkside thermal imager?
Cartha, sleeping is nice too. Yes, my friend. Yeah, should be Olympics. Yeah.
Synchronized sleeping.
That could work too.
I'm going to search for a Lidl thermal imager.
I'll go for with snoring and without snoring with a sleeping thing. Maybe. Oh, got you.
Lidl do have it.
This looks like a Kiwi thing.
It does look rather like the Kiwi thing.
Yeah.
240 by 320 pixels.
Wow, €100. Nice.
100, yeah, €99.
So tomorrow morning, drive to Lidl. And
would you go to Lidl? Yeah, we should get one. Let's have it. See. This Parkside.
Yeah.
Whoa. I mean,
comes with everything.
The only thing I can say would be wrong with this, the resolution's good. Does it mention the frame rate? Because that's the other thing with that, and how close will it focus? Because if you remember, let me just have a quick look. Is this similar? I'll leave you alone there, Dad, for a moment.
Yeah, I zoomed in there.
Okay.
What I see the ideal for checking insulation and heating systems, check for heat flow and searching for overheat parts, thermal bridges. So I guess this thing is more suitable for some installation work. Oh wait, I got you, because Richard got something there.
Yeah, so this is the one that actually Death and myself reviewed, really. This is the Kaiwitz one. No, it looks quite different. Is that?
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, this thing was.
Yeah.
The problem with this is you can't even see it as you're outdoors.
And now the battery's flat. No, it's
No,
not.
it's
not flat. Wait, try to get you on the handheld camera here.
Yeah. The problem with this thing. So this is a similar resolution to that one. Actually, 240 by 320 is higher. Normally 192 by 256.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
okay.
User error. This thing works, but it won't focus very close up, you see. I can't, can I find like a PCB or something? Can we plug something in? We plug that into a USB. Can we get something to warm up?
I think it's not fast enough for that. There's some USB here, and I don't have enough hands.
Okay. Carlos, we need your hands.
Yeah. See?
Oh, one dog's going to go and buy one. Okay. On Monday. You know that little one with it built into the multimeter is about 140, and that has a macro lens. Yeah, so I can't even.
It's an Arduino. I don't think this will get hot anywhere.
Yeah, I thought something would warm up. Yeah, it does. Something's there.
Maybe this is a voltage regulator.
Yeah, but I have to get so close to it, you can't focus on it. Let's compare that with a little multimeter thermal camera to see if that will actually.
Okay, you get this. I'll try to read up here. Reading components and testing them. This works. JFET. Those videos are great reference when you want to. Absolutely, yeah. The JFET one was great.
Oh, my JFET video?
Yeah, keep doing this kind of video when you think it's not needed. The resolution of the sensor display. Good question, Carter. Good question. Does it say on the thing?
On this one?
Oh, wait.
What do you want to know?
Wait. Look at this. Display resolution is 240 by 320.
Oh!
Oh,
yeah, what's the thing?
Bastards! This is why we need you guys. Because we probably already never got this.
If I can just. Right, I'll power this one on. This is the multimeter one. And we'll compare this on the same Arduino, yeah?
Yeah, I think you want to turn the PCB around. Yeah.
To see what this one does. 2, 1.
Yeah, thermal cameras always
Look.
need a bit of time. Oh, yeah, this is different.
This is completely different. I can actually see that much clearer. So that shows that, and then the big one, which is quite a bit more expensive. See, like the blurred.
Yeah, this is what they say in the product description. That is more for some
For
installation work.
Yeah, if you're air conditioning or
and something.
Yeah. Car engines and boilers and yeah. So guys, I would be very, very, very wary of that. I mean the difference is just it's not the same at all, is it? It's just completely different. Yeah. I mean, with that, you can even see the pins around the edge of the chip.
Yeah. Let me see if I can get closer here.
Yeah, you see them clearly now, can't you?
Yeah.
You can even see the legs on the chip. This will show you like an 0402 or an 0201 resistor.
And the little thing over here is a built-in multimeter, right?
Yes, this is one of the built-in multimeter. Yeah. And these were about $150.
Yeah, okay.
It's a different price. 140, something like that.
There's a different price tag there, of course. And it can't use, do current, right?
It can't measure current. Yeah, Gordon Bond, how much is that? Let's find it. Let's go find it now on AliExpress, okay?
Get you over there.
So we want to go to AliExpress. They're about 140 something. AliExpress.
I know.
And it's the ET13S.
ET13S, yeah.
Okay. Let me just go to the site. Okay, ET13S. Let's have a look.
Lon, I don't think this would be suitable mostly for the basics, just seeing what kind of being generated on a circuit board for quicker determination of something to look at. I'm not sure if this is suitable for that.
There, 140.
Oh, you got it. Yeah.
This one says 85, but there's an older version of this. So there's an ET12, but I've no idea what resolution the ET12 is. Look, this is the ET12 you can buy from 85.
All right.
And I don't know what the difference in spec is, but it looks basically the same. I bet it's probably just a lower resolution. The ET13 has the macro lens. So the ET13, 141. But that's without the macro lens. The macro lens is about 20, yeah? But if we come back to this again, we'll take the macro lens off this and we'll see how well it works without. So can we get back onto the Arduino with the camera?
You just put the camera
Okay, 30 is much better. Oh, the little sensor is 32 by 32. Okay, guys. So this is the macro lens, which is just magnetic. Huh? So we take the macro, that's about 20 something, yeah? So if we take it off, this is just gone to sleep. It still works, but can you see like you can't see like the actual pins anymore? You can see what's getting hot. Yeah? Put it back on again.
Ah, this is the difference then. Okay, gotcha.
Put it back on again.
And now we can see the pins.
And now you can see the pins on it. But to be fair, it works pretty well without the macro lens. Look, you can see them, can't you, there, clearly. Yeah.
Chris says the image sensor is 32 by 32. Wow.
And the refresh rate is 9. You know what, guys? I wouldn't touch that thing.
Don't.
Guys, don't. Who was gonna buy one? Please don't.
Yeah, Lon was saying something about he wanted to buy one. Yeah, Lon was saying
And now he's been.
You probably won't be happy with that.
You probably won't be wanting that.
Yeah.
That's a bit of a con to me, telling you what the resolution of the display is.
Yeah. It's a bit. Of course, I can tell you what the display resolution is, but it doesn't have a thing. Yeah.
If you want a 32 by 32, if we look on AliExpress, you can buy them. Okay, let me find the cheapest thermal camera on AliExpress. So thermal camera. Okay, let's just put that in there. So this one's $40, 36.
24 by 32.
Yeah, 24 by 32. That's similar.
Yeah.
This one's a little bit worse, but
this is a nice small one. Come on.
And it's 40.
Yeah.
Doesn't know what the refresh rate is, but
probably not good.
No, it's probably not good. But I'm just saying for that resolution on the thermal camera, they're not 100, they're 40. So yeah. Oh, there's another one here that's 56. What does this one give us?
Well, this looks like my Fleur.
56. This plugs into your phone, like the P2 Pro, which is very, very good. Does this give us some sort of specification?
Minus 22, 1000 degrees.
That's
well, maybe Chinese degrees, I don't know.
Oh, with specification. This is a 32 by 32. So this is the same as that one at Lidl, 32 by 32. Exactly the same. Oh, this is 5 frames per second. I mean,
okay, this
useless.
is a slideshow. This is
a slideshow, guys.
Yeah.
Avoid. Don't.
Anne says thank you. You're welcome, Anne. And Carsten said he got the HTI HT301 thermal camera. You maybe want to look this up.
HTI.
Yeah.
HT301. Yeah.
Let's see what's.
Maybe I should put thermal camera.
Maybe.
Maybe. Nope, doesn't find anything.
Okay. It's not from AliExpress.
No, it must be from a proper shop.
Yeah.
You may as well put this back on screen again. From a proper shop. Okay, so we've debunked that one.
Yeah. So no little cameras as next week. Yeah.
No.
Yep.
Honestly, this one you've seen it. ET13S. Yeah, it's going to cost you about 140, but it works. This is 25 frames per second.
Yeah,
this one.
It's that fast?
It's 25, yeah, and it's a 256 by 192. And the macro lens, you can buy it separately. So you know, if you're $20 short, buy it without it, and then anytime later you can just buy the macro lens, which is also great because if you break the macro lens, you can buy another one. They're available separately.
This is charged by USB-C, right?
Yeah, this is USB-C.
Okay.
USB-C. And I use it. We chatted with this last time. So yes, my P2 Pro is better, but I have to plug it into the mobile phone. It's just so easy, and it does the job.
Yeah, I know this. I got these.
And the P2 Pro is $100 more.
Yeah, the way too expensive Fleur ones back in the days, and yeah, no.
Yeah.
No, this is way too much hassle. I would go for one of these.
Yeah. And it's also a multimeter.
Yeah.
And I think this one passed the Mr. Bleep test.
Yeah, you said that, right? Yeah.
I'm not sure if it was this one or if it was this one. If it was one of the. It was one of the tool tops that actually passed the Mr. Bleep test. Shall we try it?
Go for it. Okay.
Let's go. Have you got a diode?
A camera?
Do you have a diode?
I got crap on the desk, but not a diode.
Not a diode. There must be a diode on that Arduino board or somewhere.
I think there is one somewhere over here, but
okay. So diode mode. Continuous bleep. Can we get me on camera? Yeah, Mike, give us a second. We'll try an experiment, even without Carlos. So, continuous bleep.
this is nice and fast.
Where can we find a diode?
I would guess somewhere over here by the power supply, because this probably has some diode in there.
I don't see anything.
Oh, there's one.
Oh yeah. Listen.
The big one.
And listen. One bleep.
Yes.
One bleep.
Yeah.
Can you see the display so you can see what it's reading? So on this one bleep, and you know you've got a diode junction and you can read the display. Obviously, a Schottky is 0.15 or something roughly, and on the short, you get a continuous bleep. So you don't even have to look at the meter. You know what I mean? I mean, you can't see the meter now, but you can probe around, and you can say diode junction. You can say open. You can say short. Yeah. Can't fault that thing. I really cannot fault this. Oh, there's no current range. I forgive it that.
Mike asked, "Hi guys, can you use the thermal camera to see which key has been pressed on another key part? In theory, the first key pressed will be slightly cooler than the last." We could try, right?
What do you want to do?
Mike is hacking something.
Oh, you want to know which key do you want a computer keyboard?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure we can. Let's get the thermal camera on again.
Do we have a keyboard here
I
that's
have
not connected to any of the machines?
This won't hurt.
Because I don't want to try this one.
No, I'm going to try it on this one.
My luck, I'll simply switch on all
I'm trying on this one.
All right.
Okay, so we need the camera action death. Come on.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah, again.
Can we do
I was filming yesterday evening. Isn't this enough?
Can we hack? Okay, so you probably want to get us above. Yeah.
Okay. Why is this lead so short?
Okay, so I'm going to press a button. Yeah.
Okay, I won't look.
I pressed a button. Yeah. Which button did I press?
Oh.
That one. And you put your finger, and it's the number 4, which is what I pressed.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
In fact,
Can you type a combination?
You wouldn't know. Oh, would you know the order of?
Yeah, but you won't know the order, but you would know which keys were pressed.
Okay, so well, let's try. So let's go for 4, 5.
Guys, look away! Look away!
Everybody
look away!
Or you can watch so we know if it's right. So let's go 4, 5, 6, 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's try the thing.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. No, I think. How long does it take to fade away? Oh, it fades fast, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So as I press them, you can see it.
Oh yeah.
But they don't stay long enough. Yeah.
Oh okay.
You see that? So you can see what
color says remove the macro, but I think it won't do anything.
It'll work. Okay, macro lens removed.
Okay.
Thermal camera on. Okay. 4, 5. Oh, he's right. So if we go 7, 8, 9. Yeah, look, you can.
Okay, let's see how long this stays on, how long this stays visible. Because if you need something like this as a diagnostic tool, it needs to stay on for a bit. Okay.
Are you sure he's not a Russian hacker?
Yeah, Mike is probably one. Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look there.
Yeah.
And then they fade away again. 7, 5, 3.
1, 2, 3.
7, 5.
No. Don't repeat. Let's see how long this stay visible.
Well, 1, 2, 3 are now fainter,
Mm-hmm.
and 7, 5, 3 is bright.
Okay, I don't see a real difference there.
No, now it's gradually
Yeah,
fading
yeah.
away.
But if you're fast enough, 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Maybe if you're lucky, 10 seconds will work, Mike. Damn these hackers.
Oh yeah. But if there's zombies at the door trying to open the keypad, remember zombies are dead, so they don't have any temperature.
Vampires won't work too. Yeah.
Vampires
Yeah,
won't
if you
work.
work with vampires, you're probably
No.
be screwed.
Vampires just screwed.
Yep.
And zombies.
Yeah, zombies. Yep. Werewolves would work.
Werewolves, yeah. Yeah, but werewolves are easy. Just use silver buttons on the pad.
Oh man, no.
Problem solved.
Yeah, and then you got werewolves running around with burning.
Werewolves.
claws.
Werewolves with gloves. What about that?
You're onto something there.
I know.
We didn't appear to.
Well, you do know that it's in the blood of my family, yeah?
Okay.
You do know my grandfather was a werewolf.
Okay, let's see. Paul says, yes, it captures a signal like that, like where your cat was laying. Yeah, true. Yeah, use the current and test the lead for current.
Some keypads of metal would make a difference. We don't have any metal keypads here, but I would imagine that the metal might absorb the heat a little bit faster.
Could be.
Thermal cameras detecting farts was debunked. How about thermal cameras detecting old farts? Remember the old man's pocket thing?
This is probably us.
Where they lost the old man.
Yeah. Oh man, yeah.
The old farts over there.
Macro blocks some IR. Beware of people that have thermal camera behind you as a cache point. True. Yeah. If you could probably in a supermarket, if someone types this PIN number.
The PIN number 4 digits.
Yeah.
You can.
Well, you know the 4 digits. Then.
You know the 4 digits. You just don't know the orders. How many combinations are there?
Well,
16.
It's better than 9 digits, right?
No, there's 16 combinations. It's like in just in binary. The 16. Assuming
2 by 2 by 2 by 2 should be.
Yeah.
So there's some more than 16, but
okay.
It's way better than having
no idea
a full keypad.
Yeah.
Mike, you're right. In theory, the first key will be cooler than the last of the 4 digits, of course. But I think this normal camera isn't selectable. It's
sensitive enough to do that.
Sensitive enough for that. Yeah.
No, probably not.
But people say, there was this one, some keyboards of metal. Yeah. And I think let's start with a simple little question. Yeah, and this is normally how this goes.
And went from there.
Detecting farts at the bunch. Yeah.
It's true. Is Carlos still watching?
Yeah, he's still online. Yeah,
he's still on there, one. Oh, good. Carlos, our big challenge for you today was how do you get into this?
I should need to show people here.
How do you get into that? I removed every fixture on here, and I still can't get inside it. But I do know how these work. I know there's like 2 glass discs, one fixed and one rotates, with lines on them, forms like diffraction patterns. And I know in the 1990s, when I worked at the electronics company, I was repairing these things. But I can't remember how I got inside them. Well, I don't even remember them being difficult.
Okay. Maybe brute force again. Yeah, I bet it probably is hammer, yeah.
Hammer time. Can't touch this.
Sorry. This happens when Carlos is.
Yeah. When Carlos goes shopping and the boys are left unsupervised.
Yep.
So unscrew. Yeah, I thought unscrew. Do you think there's like some special tool that fits into this slot here? I mean, what's this round slot for? Is there like something that goes in there and then you can untwist it? You imagine something that had like a curved around here, or even was circular with a bit sticking inwards.
Carlos says remove the top and it's press fit on it. I think this is what I said.
Okay, so I remove these pins. So these pins are only about as far as here. They don't go anywhere. There's a screwdriver.
All right. Yeah. Okay. This is getting out of hand again.
Where is the screwdriver?
Did anybody of you guys watching the Black Mesa event? So blackmesa.com is a new thing here from Half-Life, the thing. Yeah. So there's a thing that goes for there's a countdown on the site in seconds, and it goes to August the 30th. So that could be interesting. All you Half-Life fans out there, I'll keep my eyes open for you.
I was never a great lover of Half-Life.
You didn't like Half-Life, right? Yeah.
I never got into it. I thought like it sounded like I should do, but I think the problem with Half-Life, I came to Half-Life after playing things like Doom and Duke Nukem 3D. So I expected to have
Portal Revolution, that could be, yeah, oh yeah, I would love this too, yeah.
So in Half-Life, I don't think I had enough weapons. I couldn't run around causing enough mayhem, so I just didn't like it. Oh, bitch.
And I think this is a, in German I'd say Geber, this is a positioning thing.
Yeah, it does. It comes off a big computer-controlled saw, basically. So this building company put a huge sheet of plywood or MDF or
look at this, it has a VGA out. No, it's a...
No. It's like a serial type connector, it's not. So this saw, they put a big piece of MDF or wood or whatever in it.
Really, Carther? I would have guessed you that you would be the one of the Half-Life people. Play it, man.
No,
one of the greatest games I ever played. Yeah.
You know the greatest game I ever played was Tomb Raider.
Oh,
and Borderlands.
Oh yeah. We never will agree on that one.
No, we never will on Borderlands. Borderlands 1, 2, 3, and the pre-sequel I played. So these come out. All this stuff comes off here easily enough. Yeah.
This is a new one. SX64, man. Welcome. You own one? SX64? Really? Yeah. Oh yeah. Tomb Raider. Yeah. I think we all agree on that one, yeah?
Yeah, Tomb Raider, I think so. Tomb Raider was just groundbreaking.
Yeah.
And then we, at the same time, the Voodoo 2s came out. And like, we'd all seen 3D cards on the PC, but they didn't seem to do anything particularly. But the Voodoo 2 really worked.
I think I had one back in the days, yeah.
Yeah.
I can't remember, it's too long ago.
Yeah. If you had enough money, you had two. You know, like kind of an SLI.
Who could afford that?
People who own computer shops.
Probably, yeah.
No, even I never had a machine with two in. Well, this came out of here before. It won't come out now.
All right. Can you detect any bumps in the plastic? Paul, there is no plastic on the thing. This is completely metal.
I disagree there. This is not.
Don't worry.
This is not completely. This is plastic.
Really?
No.
Okay.
This is plastic.
I shut up now.
Because I got like an edge of a blade thing trying to get in there, and all it did is just take a piece out of the plastic there. I can't get into this thing.
Oh, SX64, man. Thank you, guys. I repair and build Commodores. My pet machine is one of my original SX64 for livable. Oh, yeah. And all sorts of mods on there, including a stereo and converted to PAL. Nice one, man. Nice one.
Okay, so this thing unscrews off here.
Good memories on C64s. I think all the people we... sometimes in their life had a
I had a C64, but what's an SX64?
It's a portable version.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the weird one, you know, where they try to get the all the thing into a portable thing.
Right. Carlos, you need a vice. Drinking too much? Is that a vice?
English jokes.
Yeah, pause it. I have a vice or two. Yeah, same here. Same here.
Well, yeah, portable in quotation marks. This is right, Carlos. Yeah, because the SX64 isn't really portable, right? But still, a kill for someone. I was one of the Atari guys because I make music with that, and that Atari actually was a portable version too. It was called a Stacy.
Oh,
yeah, weird thing. Yeah,
didn't know about that.
I know.
So, when you say get this in a vise, do you mean to get this back part of it in the vise? Because you can't grip that in the vise, but it's smooth. But you could hold this piece in the vise.
Mm-hmm.
Heat up the metal and see where the plastic.
SX64 man, I did take it as a carrier and luggage to Europe and back. Wow. Okay, I need to figure out if you have some videos on the thing on your channel now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll check out later.
Okay. I'll just get the vise.
Okay, Richard is trying to get a vise now, and I'm tempted to look at the SX64 man channel. He sits on the camera. No, not hitting this one. No.
It's not a big vise.
Answers. Did anyone ever Sinclair back in the days? Of course.
Yeah, I had a Spectrum.
I was a ZX81 guy.
I was, yeah. Spectrum 48 I had.
Yeah.
And then I had a Commodore 64 at the same time, and then I had the Amiga. And of all those home computers, I loved my Amiga. I thought it was the best home computer.
My girlfriend back in the day had an Amiga. And I was the Atari guy because I made music with the thing.
Well, now interesting, if you're Spanish, you could say my girlfriend back in the day was an Amiga.
Yeah, true, yeah.
Because Amiga is Spanish for girlfriend.
Yeah. I think this is what Commodore was aiming for when they named the thing.
I don't know if my vise is big enough.
Really?
Yeah, no, I need to open it wider. Open wide.
There you go.
Open wide. Is that a vise?
Don't get me started.
No.
Amiga 500, yeah.
Yeah, I had the 500 and I also had the Amiga 1500.
Yeah.
Okay, I've now opened. I've now gone way too far with this.
You told the thing to open wide.
Yeah, Carlos.
Yeah, this is what happens when Carlos.
This is what. Yeah, when Carlos is not here. This is.
See, we guys are helpless here. Yeah.
Okay, so I need to twist this so
you need
that
soft jaws. I think the thing is broken anyways. I think they ordered
they've ordered a replacement, and he did say that if I break it, it's not a problem.
We got nothing to lose here.
So
as always.
Yeah. So that's in the vise. So I'd imagine there must be like a tool which is like a round thing, which slots over there and has like a. You know what I mean, don't you?
Can you use a big screwdriver and simply?
No, I don't think there's any. I get a big screwdriver, but I don't think there's any.
Yeah, you don't get the grip there. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Mike had a X81 kit version. Yeah, I didn't sold it back in the days. I got the normal one. Yeah, but I remember this was a really interesting computer. For the people who didn't know the ZX81, 1 kilobyte of RAM, kilobyte. Not megabyte, kilobyte.
Hang on, the ZX81 couldn't display the screen and type at the same time. Every time you hit it, oh, your focus is well out.
Yeah, I'm drifting away here.
But the ZX81, every time you hit a key, the screen blanked out and came back again.
And even worse, if your program got too large, the screen, the editor would shrink down.
Oh.
Yeah, so many shortcuts Sir Clive took back in the days.
Yeah. So the answer is no, you can't do that.
Ah, crap.
Oh, I might have something there. No,
looks like it.
Yeah, but what's happening is it's just twisting out the vise.
Carlos said Rich put the screwdriver in the hole on the other side.
What side?
Oh, look at this! Look at this over here. There's a little.
Oh, so we grip this like that in there. You mean do that?
I think it means that.
Is this what you mean, Carlos?
Before we try to kill ourselves here.
The vise is just twisting around.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's going to come out the vise. It won't hold it.
Ah, crap.
You see what's happened? It's just like.
He meant that hole, yeah.
Yeah, I can get lots of pressure on, but I can try and just get it once again. So that's the trouble is it's curved at this side. So there's nothing really. Oh, hold on, I have an idea. Put it that way, because I'm trying to twist it that direction, yeah?
Mike said it was his ZX80 that blanked the screen.
Oh, was it his X80? Okay.
Yeah, okay. This is so long ago. I just remember the thing was a
Right.
with a 1 kilohertz, a kilobyte problem.
So put this in here.
And pull. Go, 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 go! Okay, I can see the...
Screwdriver's bending.
Yeah. Oh.
Something's going quick.
Yeah. I'm panicking here.
Oh.
Okay, no. Apply some hot air, Mike says. Could work.
We have the small hot air station up behind you.
Oh, and I don't have enough hands.
All I can say is it was making strange clicking noises. I'm sure if Carlos was here, we'd be in this by now, no problem.
Yeah, or something would have broken.
Or something would have broken.
Yeah.
Yeah, one or the other.
What?
I think it's debatable which would have happened. So
left-hand thread could be a thing, but I think heating up is the first thing we could try.
Okay, we can try it. We can try this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
We're good. Oh, well, I'm just warming this up. Where's that LED? The one we were asking about the glue.
Oh, you moved it to your desk. I think.
Of course I did.
Yeah. Possible anti-clockwise thread. Yeah, that's a good idea, guys. Yeah.
The problem is the way I've got it in the vise. I can't easily move it the other way. So you guys are thinking it goes that way.
Left side. So
this way. This way.
Yeah. Wait, let me get a camera on that. You can see the.
Oh, that was just moved in the vise again.
That's a device. Yeah.
I put a lot of. I put a lot of pressure on that. Which part do you want me to warm up? Although it's obviously in the vise.
Expand, so the thread will be in the lower part. So I guess you want to heat up the lower part.
So we want to take this out of the vise because obviously it's going to absorb the heat out of it.
Mm.
Okay. I'll warm this up a little bit.
Oh wait.
What?
Can we get this now in the vise like that? So now we have a grip over here on the on the thread. Yeah, but we probably will kill the thread.
Yeah, but this is completely circular. There's no.
Yeah, no,
you can't hold this in the
because there's a slot.
If you look at it in this direction, I think you'll find that isn't the case at all.
Yeah, okay, you're right.
This is circular.
Yeah.
Okay.
Use the thermal camera to see where the great parts get warm.
I warmed up a bit. And I will stick it back in and see.
Well, we try to heat it up first. So let's see what happens. Yeah.
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 So
heat on the metal top part. Mike says heat up the top.
What here?
No, the other side.
He wants me to heat the other side up.
Yeah.
Well,
and Carlos is screaming, "Stop! Heat top!" All the people say, "Heat the other side." So
everybody says heat the other side.
Yeah, I was wrong.
Carlos says stop.
Yeah, this is why you don't let me do these kind of things. You guys are right with that.
So which end are we heating up?
The other one.
The other end.
Yeah, this is probably hot now.
It's a bit warm.
Well,
it's not massive.
Metal expands one. Yeah, this is why I wanted to have the other thing heated, because if the thread is in the lower part, if we heat this,
don't get tighter. This is my theory that if we heat this end, because what's wrong with this is the wire is broken here. So if you wiggle it, you can get it to work.
Mm.
But the wires just disappear into there.
Yeah.
So there's, it's not.
Okay, Carlos says heat the metal shiny part so it expands and the threads will get loose. Listen to Carlos.
Listen to Carlos.
Yeah.
The ghost of Carlos passed.
What's a great part made of?
Some sort of plastic or resin, I would say.
Okay, this looks like Guss. I don't know the English word for that one.
What's that?
Guss.
Guss?
Yeah. That's, no, I really don't know the English word. I need to translate.
I'd say it's some sort of plastic type material or a resin type material. What do you think that's?
Got the thermal camera?
I have.
So we can have a look. Come on, I'll do the thing here. I'll do the double wielding.
I bet it's not very warm.
Somebody's moving in.
Yeah.
Sorry for the shaky cam here.
Well, come on. So we have a how warm? That's the hot air, 180 something.
Okay, it looks like it's getting warm.
Move the hot air away for just a moment. So it's about 50. About 50. What temperature should we go for? Put camera on the seam, which is there somewhere, I think. Well, something down here says it's 80. The plastic bit seems to be. He's away for a moment, Dad. 70.
Okay.
The plastic bit's about 70,
you know,
and the metal bit's about 36.
Let's get a bit of heat in there and let's try the screwdriver again. Let's see if this now moves. We can try this in the different directions if this red is left. But I can do anything here because I only have 2 arms, and I you
100 C should be fine.
And I can't even pull the focus because now I'm holding the heat gun here.
Was that a hint? Was that a hint for me to hold?
Yeah.
A hint for me to hold the heat gun.
Worked.
It did work.
Okay.
Oh!
Ta-da!
It's out.
Ta-da!
Perfect. Okay, stop there. Don't untwist the wires. Let it cool down.
Look, this was a fit pressing. There's no thread.
There is no thread.
Yeah.
Okay, so we wait for this to cool down.
Yeah.
You'd almost think that Carlos was here, wouldn't you?
Yep. He's with us in spirit.
In spirit.
Yeah. I see a voltage regulator. I see probably a microcontroller.
It's going to be too hot. You have to give that 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So while we're giving that 5 minutes, let's talk about that LED.
All right. Here goes the LED.
Well, short story is that we've now got the LED off. The LED is off.
People don't know what we mean when we say. Can you put it over there? Because I could probably burn myself if I try to get this.
Yeah, you probably
onto the shelf now.
That's that.
Yep, thermal camera again. Yep. Sometimes you need to. Yep.
Okay, so that we wait while that cools down. So this one, a reverse one. So on my video, I couldn't get this LED. What? LED off here.
The ghost of the shop.
Is that the ghost of Carlos?
Again.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, well done, retro upgrade.
Yeah.
So anyway, top and bottom is this LED. We can buy these. The customer's happy to pay the €200, whatever the damn thing is. So this is held on to here by 2 little bolts, pins that screw in. So it actually screws onto there. Can you see? So there's a pin that goes through here and one that goes through here. So it bolts on, but as well as being bolted, they stuck it on there with some sort of brownish glue that it took a hammer to get it off. Yes, it's similar to a Cree. This is a flat light. So we know what it is. We have a part number. We know where to get them from. The question is, if we buy one, obviously, if we don't get the proper heat transfer into the heat sink, it's going to fail.
This will be a short experience.
This will be a short experience. So these Cree things are about €200, roughly. And this thing actually goes into a light engine that has a big bundle of fibre optics on it. Thermal epoxy. So the big bundle of fibre optic, you can't call them cables, can you?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so this big bundle of fibre optics going to the bottom of a swimming pool, and it illuminates the bottom of the swimming pool in some sort of twinkling pattern.
That might be where it failed. I thought the same on the same lines here, because if you don't get a good heat transfer from the LED board here into this massive thing, it looks like a really, really high-powered CPU cooler.
And there's a fan in the face. There's a fan.
This is active, yeah.
Actually, I'll get the thing if you haven't seen it. You can see the thing it came out of.
Yeah, Lon, I thought the same. Cleans the surface really well. Maybe with some sandpaper, yeah. And this is the only thing I can think of. And thermal epoxy, yeah, could be a thing. I don't have enough experience with these kind of stuff to be of really help here. There comes the unit where
it came out of here, LED light engine. You can actually buy these things for about 300 or 400. But he wants to fix it for whatever reason. So yeah. So that's what
looks like something in the weather conditions affected the thermal paste and caused some kind of oxidation resist. Could be, but this was really stuck on there, man. We tried this to get this off with the normal.
Yeah, we used this screwdriver and we were hitting it with a large spanner because the hammer was in the van and the van was at the garage. We couldn't get it off. And then I gave
Lon says rust. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I know what you're looking at, Lon, but this feels more like a.
Well, this
can we scrape this off? The brownish stuff on the heat sink.
Yeah,
can we scrape this off? Oh yeah, this is moving. Yeah, this we need to get rid of course. Yeah, but then we need something good here to because you can't simply drop it on there, so it will burn out right away.
Yeah. Well,
thermal epoxy will look this up. Yeah.
It's bolted on. So the bolts hold it in place. I mean,
yeah, but the thermal transfer will be not enough.
You can see the threaded holes, but yeah, it needs obviously some.
Yeah. Yeah. Heat dissipation looks. Yeah, absolutely, Anne. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So we gave this back to the builder's yard, the same one that rotary encoder thing comes from, and he said, "Oh, I just tapped it with my large hammer and it fell off." Have you seen the size of them builders? I mean, you're quite a big guy, but
yeah.
Yeah. So what do we have? What are the answers we have? Weld the new lamp in place with the CO2 laser, 80 watt. Okay, yeah. By the way, with the laser, I have had on occasion companies who offer me this stuff and then they won't ship them to the Canary Islands. Carlos, you're watching that MIG welder. They're refusing to ship to the Canary Islands. They'll say they'll ship it to somewhere else. I said, well, I'm not paying them the additional shipping. So, yeah. Oxidization, it could be. Okay, so this thing would be like in the room underneath a swimming pool.
So very humid.
Humid. Probably, I wouldn't be surprised if the swimming pool is heated.
Oh, yeah.
It could well be heated. I mean,
more humid, yeah.
Yeah, this is out of somebody's villa. This thing. And yeah, so
let's see how you ordered the LED, right?
No, I haven't ordered the LED until I can be sure that we have the right stuff to fit it.
Because I was saying, let's have a look how the lower side of the LED looks.
Yeah.
And then we can decide what to put on there. But I think with thermal epoxy, this sounds like a good way to go.
Right. Air gap forms in the epoxy due to CTE. CTE. Is that temperature coefficient or something, Paul? It's the CTE. Is that a coefficient of temp or expansion or something?
Something like that. I guess along the lines, yeah.
Thermal coefficient of thermal expansion. I'm just guessing what CTE. Oh yeah, thank you. So yeah, and daily. I mean, heat dissipation is definitely important on this thing.
What are you looking for?
I'm just trying to show what this thing actually connects to. Yeah, if you can get onto the screen. So basically this unit fits onto something like this stuff. That's like side visible fibre optic cable. And yeah, look, you can buy 300 meters and whatever. And then they've got this integrated into the bottom of the swimming pool. Does the fan still work on the unit? Yes. There's a whole video of this unit. I'll actually, you can see it on my channel, the actual diagnostic, and I prove the LED is faulty 2 different ways.
Aluminum CTE is different from copper or PCB. Yeah, Paul. Yeah. This is probably why we need some intermediate medium between them, like thermal paste on a CPU or something.
Yeah, where's the there? This one, LED light engine repair. So this is the actual. If anybody's interested, this is the repair I did. This is where I effectively reverse engineered a good chunk of it and then prove that the LED is the fault on this. Yeah, the actual fault. So yeah, anybody wants to watch it, this will.
Was that an LED?
Yes, there's an LED. So yeah, there you go. So this is the actual the actual thing. This is where I'm taking another high-powered LED with my LED backlight tester, and showing that this actually works, and then that white one doesn't work. So
Pod says there's a better design would be the thermal paste and the spring pressure on the PCB near the LED. With you, yeah, but I think we can't modify this for that.
What was it?
A spring pressure to.
Well, okay. So
you could use screws with the
if you
springy things in between.
Yeah. There's 2 screws which go in here, which actually hold. Can you get back onto this yet?
I can't.
So there are 2 pins which screw it here and here, which hold it in place firmly. So yes, you could use like those type of screws off a GPU. I've got some scrap GPUs and such like. So you probably could use something like that.
Yeah, but remove the brown crap first. Yeah, sure, Carlos. Yeah, the thermal pads, that seems to be better than the paste. Yeah, with you guys. Yeah, but I'm not sure if the thermal capacity, coupling capacity, whatever, this is still hot. Yeah. If this is enough for that, I have no idea with this.
No idea. Yeah. So I'm a bit concerned because the port's like 200 or something.
Yeah, that's already quite fine. When you on the desktop screen, there's a really quite fine when you're on the desktop screen.
What do you mean when you're showing the display from the?
We show you as a display. Really?
From the. Is that so that's coming through a HDMI to USB?
Maybe. Let me see if I can find the sound for that too. This should be that one. Okay, it should be gone now. Cartha, can you confirm?
You have to display the desktop screen again.
It is. I'm showing the desktop screen. Look.
Do you mean that desktop, or do you mean the desktop on here?
Well, let me see if I can get.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I think confirmed. Gone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
There you go.
See, we never rewatch our screen.
How long does it take this thing to cool down?
Am I still? I was touching this 5 minutes ago.
Try.
Ow! Workplace safety. Don't touch hot things, guys. Don't.
No.
Yeah.
So did we come to any resolution on this or not?
That is obvious thermal resistance. I use part under resistors and a 3 kilowatt 28. Okay. Nothing on the specification page for the LED maker. That's a good point. Maybe we can get a data sheet for that. It tells us, okay, yes, you need to use blah blah blah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. I'm sure I can find that because we know that what the model is. It's flat lighters they make, PHLAT, flat.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can't spell, you know. Can we get the microscope on? We have to do.
You need to do this on this machine.
I need to do it from here, don't I?
Yeah, you do.
This is what Carlos normally does. I'm not sure.
Over there, the OBS thing.
Okay, yeah.
You switch on the microphone.
Oh no, it's already running. OBS is already running.
No, it's just telling me that want to update and you don't want to do that.
Right.
There you go, my friend.
Okay, and then now let's just alter the focus.
And then I do a right click on the screen itself, and then you can go for full screen something.
In here.
Yeah.
And then full screen projector.
Yeah, go and then macro blah 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 blah.
Do it for
the other one. Yeah.
The Astro projector.
There you go.
Yeah, so that's to make flat light.
Okay, I think this is.
Obviously, when we came up with this, like, took this based on. No. We have to plug the power bank into the.
Okay, that's a power bank. And there's another power bank. Yeah, we have power banks everywhere.
Look, see, Carlos, look what happens when you're not here.
Yeah. All Carlos' fault.
Yeah, well, he's not here, so we can do that. He's not here, so we can do that. We can get away with that. Yeah.
Yeah, just something over here.
Good.
And
so the thing is made by flat light.
okay, there you are, and we're back.
Yeah, flat light. And it's 0610. You can see, you can see.
No, this is no way to get this right.
Yeah, so it's flat. So it's obviously you must know about stamp collecting because that's philatelists. Stamp collectors are philatelists.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
So philatelite. Yeah, so flat light with a pH, LIGHT, and there's a port number on there.
So when it started off thermal piece and got stuck on over time. Yeah. Make sure the heat sink is as flat as possible, and it's very important. Yep, like on a CPU. Yep.
Well, the fact it bolts onto the heatsink, which should help you with that.
Yeah, but you do the same with a CPU, with a spring in contact.
True.
So, yeah. And I think thermal paste degrades over time. It's just like you have the heat, the paste you put on the CPUs. I think it's the same there. Because this degrades over time, when you got 10-year-old CPUs. This is just crumbly stuff over there.
Yeah.
CPUs overheat all the time. Yeah.
Yeah. But CPUs are like sensible enough to shut down, whereas this thing won't be.
Yeah, I'm just thinking. Won't do that, indeed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like it got thermal protection feedback. Yeah, the little things. I thought the same. Yeah.
Oh yes, it has that. It has that on there. That's thermal protection, is it?
I think so.
Oh, so well that does connect from there to the control unit. So I think we can say then that if it overheats, it'll shut down. Is that a capacitor there? Is this a capacitor? Because capacitors change the capacitance with heat.
With heat. Well, you can measure this, right?
Yeah, if we take a capacitance meter on that, and we can.
Yeah, and it should be open circuit because the.
Well, no. If we take a capacitance meter, it'll be the capacitance. And then if we warm it up,
it should change, right?
It should change, right? Yeah. What do you think, guys?
Yeah. If the cap is open circuit, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Did all 4 LEDs fail? Good question there. Because maybe there's some possible.
It's all failed.
Okay.
Okay, when you connect my backlight tester, which obviously is a constant current source, 30 milliamps, you can get it to just like a quick flick and go off sometimes.
Okay.
But only faint. But I've seen backlights and TVs, faulty ones, do that as well. Okay, so we need to be able to somehow. When we're on the microscope, we'll have to hit this off the microscope, won't we? But we know what we're measuring, so.
Okay, got the. Oh crap! Handheld.
So that's the thing.
Okay, there's a shot.
So I'm guessing it's going to be less than 2 microfarads.
Or a PTC, Henrik. Yeah, Henrik is another new name. I haven't read you before.
Okay, so
welcome to the channel, mate. Normally Carlos is here and does all the crazy stuff.
Yeah, so it's not a capacitor unless it's just a low value. So next we can try see if it's a resistor, PTC. I'd say it's not a capacitor. Oh!
Still
damn!
Hard. Still hard.
It's not hot enough to burn, but it's not hot enough to make you notice. Well, whatever that is, it doesn't have any capacitance, we can say that much. Of course, obviously, we get a new one. It comes with a thing already on it.
True, yeah.
Oh, you know, I have a nasty suspicion the last time I tried my capacitance meter, the leads didn't seem to work. I swapped them from my multimeter. So let's go for resistance. Let's go for Mr. Ohm, yeah?
Yeah. My good friend, Mr. Ohm.
Let's see what's it read. It's a resistor.
Okay,
8.9k. Oh, and it goes down. I put no, it's myself putting my resistance in parallel with it.
Okay.
We got rid of the. Yeah, we got rid of the. Yeah, do that.
I'm using my internal heat source here.
Otherwise, we have to get the hot air again.
Yeah, 10K at 25C. Yep, you're probably right with that. Go, 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 go.
It's changed a bit, hasn't it?
Yeah, just a bit, yeah.
Yeah, I'd say that is NTC.
Yeah, we just removed the heat gun.
I can find it. We can get rid of that one.
You got a lighter here, right?
Oh!
Segways!
Ah! Of course, we put in the light out, we'll probably melt the plastic, but we can have a go. So, so we can, yeah. Ah! Don't tip the lighter like that. That shows how much I use these things.
You could use the backside and simply burn the thermocouple or thingy.
Ah, bitch. Carlos, where are you, man? I think there's air blowing in this direction.
Yeah, and now it's open flames in the studio, man. On a film set, you probably have to have 20 safety people now around.
That must be warming up.
Use solar, yes, solar.
So, okay, so that must have warmed up. Yeah, 6.18k. So from 6k to 8k down to 6k.
Yeah, so this is a
NTC.
NTC, right? Which makes sense. Okay.
Oh.
Not the fluke.
Oh, it's back at 8.5. It's gone. It was 8.7 before. And it's obviously cooling down a bit now.
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah,
yeah.
Okay, yeah, NTC.
So we know what to look for, right?
Yeah, yeah. Do we use the Segway?
Use the Segway, of course.
Okay, so why do we have a cigarette lighter on the bench? Well, this is because we thought. I'll move out the way a little bit. It's not so bad now.
Yeah, somebody will get hurt with the thing.
We thought Carlos would be here.
Yeah, and he would get hurt.
But it's okay, Det's here, so Det can do this. Det can do this.
I have to hold the camera, man. It won't work.
Excuses.
Absolutely.
we bought this from AliExpress.
See, I need to hold the camera.
Excuses.
And it's Super Soldier.
It's Super Solder. We paid, was it about €2? This was on one of these, like, buy 3 for €10 or something.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, there you go.
This is Super Solder.
Yeah, not the regular kind. This is a Super Soldier.
And they showed a picture on the listing of somebody soldering with a cigarette lighter.
Yeah, this is why we went out this morning and bought cigarette lighters.
Cigarette lighters, yeah. Because you don't have any of these.
No expenses were.
No expenses spared here.
Spared was a word, yeah.
That's the one, no expenses spared.
Yeah, Cartha, it's probably mega good, yeah.
So, Super Solder. So
made of recycled cans. Yep.
Ah.
We probably die of lung cancer now, yeah.
This is the stuff. So, shall we try it with the soldering iron first?
Okay.
This feels like a lot more brittle than...
Really?
Than normal.
It already looks weird. Oh, crap. Yeah. Feels weird. Looks weird.
Can you move your can of Coke? We're just going to go Or is it empty?
No, I'm not. We're not at the beer stage.
We're close. We are close to the beer stage.
There you go.
Right, okay. Heating, it says heating.
I think you have to press a button.
Okay. It says 300.
All right.
330.
No, this is something.
360. That's your preset.
I think this is a preset. This is not heating. Oh, is it?
Nothing's happening. Maybe
press the other button.
Wait.
See?
Oh! So let's see if this stuff actually melts. And then on the photo, somebody was soldering 2 pieces of wire together with a cigarette lighter.
Okay, 300 degrees is a bit cold.
Oh.
Let's see. Okay.
It melts. It smokes.
And it smells horrible.
What's it like for soldering with?
Lowest melting point. Yeah.
It's supposed to be, it's supposed to have a low melting point.
We thought so. Low melting point because of a flame, not so much heat transfer. Then.
Have you ever stuck your finger in a flame?
No, thank you.
They're quite hot. They're quite hot. Well, having said that, you can put a candle out with your hand if you're fast enough.
Yeah. Speed
is of the essence. Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
So let's see if we can tweezers. Oh, this place is all falling apart this week. You can tell.
Yeah. Somebody stole my two tweezers now. Yeah. Oh yeah, I brought the East-Sold solder and it was pretty good. Okay. Oh yeah. Me as a solder snob, I need to say the same. Yeah.
Oh, that HT solder I use.
The one you use, yeah.
Yeah, it's quite good. It is. It's quite good. HXT, whatever.
Are you supposed to have a cigarette in your mouth while you're soldering, right? Probably, yeah. That's a problem for all three of us, yeah.
Now it's a strange thing between English. Oh, something here. Don't melt anymore.
Maybe the 300 degrees is a bit cold. Oh yeah, you were sleeping. You were falling asleep there.
Let's change it a little bit.
Yeah, I'd say the same. Yeah, go for at least 350.
Yeah, 360 something.
Yeah,
like
360 works. Yeah. And now you have to wait for it to do the thing. I think. Let's hope. Yeah, there she goes.
Okay. So we tried. So that's the difference between like English and American English, because like we would say soldering with a fag in your mouth, but in the USA that's a completely different connotation. In fact, I think they would say that was offensive. This stuff is horrible.
Oh my God! Look at all the.
But it works.
The junk on the board.
It works, but it leaves. Yeah. Guys, it's unsoldered. If we go back to the microscope, it's unsoldered, but look at all that crap it left on the board. Yeah, it left all this gunk on the board. But it did unsolder. Okay. Let's go for the.
Maybe this is too hot for the solder because.
Well, let's get the components.
Greg says, Adam and IT did a test yesterday during live stream. Bought a crap soldering iron kit. The issue was, should you solder included? Yeah. This is normally the thing. Once you switch the mechanic solder, the stuff flowed through the holes. Yeah.
Yeah, that mechanic HXT.
Yeah. Does it solder melt? We probably find out.
Okay, so
you made the English first. That looks like a kit. Molten longer permanent chip quick. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, this was
saves on the flux through. Yeah, but this is horrible. This is not good flux. Maybe the temperature is too high for the.
This was cheap.
For the solder,
I'll give it
for the full flux.
Right, I'll get a couple bits of wire.
Okay. Now we're coming to the funny part. So some days I will program this soldering iron right. I think.
Okay. Oh, the happy clappers are here.
Is it already? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. For that we said okay, maybe do a short one today.
Yeah. And yeah, we'll have a beer. We'll do this and we'll have a beer.
Yeah.
And then we can call it a day without Carlos. Otherwise, you might think we can do without him.
Yeah. Cheap and nasty. And absolutely.
Oh, there's something really important we want to talk about. Let's do this first.
Okay.
Okay, so what shall I do? Shall I twist the wires together?
Yeah, this is the easy one. Let's twist them together.
Let's twist them together.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we need something to hold it in, don't we?
I normally go for a crossover tweezers.
Oh, those ones like you.
Reverse tweezers. Reverse tweezers was the name. Yeah.
Yeah.
The ones I use all the time.
I don't like them, but yes.
I know you do.
Well, some people do. And who am I to say that that's wrong? Who am I to say that is wrong or not?
They're helping hands.
Yeah, helping.
Since I don't like these because they don't give me enough flexibility.
Okay, one helping hand, very flexible. One piece of very stiff solder.
Yeah.
We need to move that out of the way a little bit.
Okay, now I'm getting burnt here.
Now I need to get into a position where I can get the cigarette lighter underneath it. I have my solder.
Maybe I have to switch off the AC.
Yeah. Let's see.
There's the thing, okay. Okay, I've never seen this number before.
I've never tried this before. I wouldn't say it's too successful so far.
Doesn't look like that. There's little solar particles flying around everywhere. Oh, this is melting!
Cheap Chinese shop lighter.
Now you're probably burning yourself with the lighter, yeah.
This is not easy to get the heat going the right way from it. What's happening is the air conditioner is actually blowing the flame towards me, so yeah.
Guys, we are actually switching off the AC now, so
no aircon.
Yeah. Hope you appreciate that.
Yeah, it's really
the suffering we do now for you.
Okay, so once again, see now the flame goes vertical now.
Yeah. Okay, go.
No, just bits fall off.
Normally it's we don't have enough energy in the...
Oh!
Whoa, okay, now everything's burning. This was flux that was burning there.
It spat at me.
Yeah, I believe that. This is dangerous here.
This stuff is dangerous.
Yeah. We should have done this next week with Carlos. Or next time with Carlos. Oh yeah, you see the flux is burning there.
Oh!
Ouch! Yeah, that looked hard.
It's like hot bits of... can you see there? A bit of metal embedded into the side of my finger.
My God!
You see it's shiny?
Yeah.
That's a bit of molten metal.
Yeah.
It's stuck in me.
No, you're dying of lead poisoning.
No, look.
Oh, this looks like a burn thing.
Yeah, that's a bit of broken nail.
Like a blister.
Oh, bitch. Yeah, there.
Oh, wait, I need to get you on the thing there.
Look there.
Da, da, da.
Guys, don't do this.
No,
Don't do this.
Doesn't look like
Don't do this at home, guys.
Yeah, it doesn't look like fun.
This is not fun. After all that, did it solder the wires together? Microscope. Well...
no. The answer is a big no.
The answer is no. Carlos, could you have done better?
He probably would have, yeah.
Well, I'm also curious why we were doing silly things like this. Because the girls have gone shopping and the boys have been left unsupervised. Okay, so...
come on, there are people helping here. Lon says, by the way, you need the tip of the flame to get the most heat. Do not put the flame on the wire. That's not the hottest point, okay?
God.
Max heat is at the tip. for the blue flame.
You want me to try this again?
I think the same. I need to try this again. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Right. Wait.
Oh dear.
No result when I'm out curious. Do silly things like that. Yeah. Get in the shot. Yeah. This is why MacGyver retired. Yeah. I suppose anything for one take theatre. Yep.
So you get the tip of the flame.
We going again.
We have the tip of the flame.
All right. Can I get a better perspective here, man? Oh yeah, there's solder flying everywhere. Carter, going to replace my soldering iron for a lighter now.
Well, they're praying next door. Can you hear
Yeah,
them?
they do. Yeah. Well, was it cheap soldering iron from China? You probably more expensive with a lighter. And the time it takes to do one connection here, well, you can adjust the height of the flame usually and adjust the wheel in front of the lighter. Okay, now we're burning everything here. Okay, this is a mess. This is officially a mess.
Oh, there's a thing here. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
You can tell we're non-smokers, can't you?
Yeah.
Oh,
okay, now we get more flame. No, 100% more flame. And they're saying that you should use the tip of the flame. Whatever. Yeah. Robin, another new name. Hey, Robin. Quote from Ali. Is a disposable lighter solder with universal wielding line, stainless steel, copper, nickel, battery, pole, pierce, low, melt, repair. I think this was the stuff we have here, yeah. The super stuff.
about €2.
Yeah.
Well, you see a picture of it, it's that stuff.
Yeah. I think the picture was something else. But it shows something really good soldered here, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't mention what the... doesn't mention anything about the composition, the
Can you
hour.
get this mess under the microscope, please?
I can.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so... I think we might have soldered it.
Yeah, it looks like that. No, you didn't. No.
Oh, I don't know. No, I did.
think
Look.
the plastic melted together, yeah, but not the metal.
Okay, yeah. Have you seen the desk?
Oh wait, let me show the people here.
What's happened?
That's the wrong one. Ooh,
This is the stuff that was spitting at me. This is how I got a hole burnt in the side of my hand.
This is probably the flux that evaporates and builds up a pressure there, and this then flies. Then these little things fly away.
That's how they make solder balls. That's how they make solder balls.
Oh, now BGA reballing, right?
BJ reballing.
Whoa! Now I'm burning my my USB lead here.
Yeah. Oh, Jet's got the USB lead on fire off the soldering iron in the background there. What time is it, man?
18:22.
We better take a beer.
We better take a beer, I tell you, yeah. After this, we deserve one, I think.
I think
Yeah.
so.
Looks like they fooled you. Worse than being hacked. Absolutely.
Right, you have two choices. There's no Diode. You can have the San Miguel or the tropical one.
I go for tropical.
You're on the tropical.
Yeah, tropical. Yeah. This is not.
If you don't know, tropical is the best beer in the world, according to the locals.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
They've never done anything else. That's all what you can get here, you know.
Düsseldorf. I grew up with old alt beer, so.
White beer.
But I never liked alt beer. Don't tell anybody.
Kinder beer.
And no, this is what Peter drinks here. But
Kinder beer.
This is tropical with Sprite or something. Yeah.
Right.
Dutch, my friend, and I thought I'm missing somebody here. Yeah.
Okay, so I think
we need to switch on the AC again.
we do need to switch on the AC again.
Yeah.
You're right. You're all right, man.
Yeah, we're running about 40 degrees now. It's 30 something degrees right now.
So
We'll turn it.
let's get the thermocouple.
All right.
We have this.
Can you?
Yeah, we can dispose of that stuff.
Yeah.
Carlos, if you can do better, man, I'll be impressed with you.
Yeah, it's only two of us. Carlos is at home being sick. Yeah.
Carlos is home laughing at us too.
And Dutch is saying too bloody hot here. You're in the Netherlands, man. Can't be so hot.
Yeah, you never get something before. Okay, so we're indoors in the shopping centre. We don't have any external windows here. Only the one into the passageway. So.
Okay. Yeah, and Gordon says I have some German beer bought back by my son from Euro. Yeah, what you got there, Gordon? Maybe I know this.
So in the workshop at the moment, that's the temperature. That's the ambient temperature of the workshop. So just in the air, 31.5.
Mm-hmm.
But we've only just switched the aircon off, and it's starting to warm up. I can feel it.
Yeah.
So probably without the aircon in here would be 40.
Carthos were in rain and 16 degrees. Oh man, Cartho, you know, when you ever want to come over here and yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Aircon. So,
And, oh, it's 30 in the Netherlands. Yeah, I remember when it was 30 in Germany, you nearly died here. And over here it's just warm.
actually, I'll ask, Dutch. So I'm sure there's some English viewers watching here. So in England, every time you get like one warm day, all over the news and all the newspapers, it's like they go out and they seem to find exotic sounding places and look for one that's cooler than England. And then they'll say, oh, it's warmer than Jamaica in England. Or, oh, it's hotter than Ibiza. You know, and obviously nobody likes people bragging, so it turns to crap the next day. But anyway, do they do this in Holland or Germany? Do your media go, oh, it's hotter than Jamaica?
In Germany, they would tell you, oh, we're all going to die because it's now so hot here. And yeah. Oh, yeah. Cheers, guys.
Salute.
Salute.
Any Finnish people here? Honest Dutch, you will not believe, as soon as you get a warm day in England, it's like, oh, it's hotter than here, it's hotter than there. It's like they're bragging about how good the weather is. You know? And I kind of think, yeah, wait till tomorrow.
Just sweating his balls off. Sorry, mate.
And it was in Ireland.
21 C in Ireland. Feels warm.
Yeah. Is this the Ireland area or Ireland, Northern Ireland?
The 3 weeks I was in Ireland, it was always this kind of weather, but it was raining.
I've been to Dublin.
Yeah.
It was raining.
Yeah. The UK is currently hotter than the North Pole. Oh yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
This sounds like a headline for you.
Yeah. For a day. For a day.
We do rain, but we have more than 500 words for rain. Yeah, you probably Germans have this too. Yeah, and Richard got something on the screen now.
This is the thing that we managed to take apart.
Yeah, let me get over there. Yeah, I took it apart, man.
Oh,
honest with you.
Sorry, this is the thing that Det managed to take apart. So this week, let's have a look at this. Let's just try to reverse engineer it. But while we're here now, what do we have? So we have
voltage regulator, some
A3664. I don't particularly know that voltage regulator, but it looks like a voltage regulator.
It will be a switch mode thing because there's a coil. Inductor.
This will be a LED or a sensor. So the glass discs are inside this part. There's one sensor.
Carlo. Yeah.
Porter, yeah, area, Carlo. Area is the country of Ireland rather than.
Okay, got you. Thank you.
Yeah. My wife's grandfather is from Drumcondra, by the way.
Oh yeah, true.
And we will know where Drumcondra is. The Drumcondra.
What's it called? Drumcondra?
Drumcondra.
Okay, not Drumcondra.
Drumcondra.
Which sounds very much more fun.
It's not far from Dublin. Looks like you did a better job than Carlos, yeah, because we didn't actually break it. I think.
Yeah, this is the difference between the two of us.
This was held together with some sort of glue.
This was glue, yeah. This was simply glued, man.
It's simply glued in there.
Yeah.
So now I think we can actually fix it.
Everybody helped. Thank you, guys.
We certainly did.
Yeah.
What is dark?
What is dark?
Lack of light.
It was where Julie was coming from. Drumcondra.
Drumcondra. My sense of humour, that's dark at the time.
Yeah, it is, yeah. From time to time, yeah.
Yeah, that's more dry, mine is more dark. So, okay, so we have what looks like a voltage regulator here. This one then. Come on, Swarm Intelligence, what's this? Who can do it the fastest? Who can...
Both chips are from the same manufacturer, I see. See that? The
So
logo is the same.
we WDW5, VXW1, and then yeah.
E200P, something specialized. Something specialized for these. Oh, what's the diodes down there? Can you get the bottom part? This looks like a.
Op amp?
No. What's the thing? Bridge rectifier.
Well, okay, so we know there's going to be some sort of optical. I think that's optical set. Looks like I can see an LED.
There's a sensor, yeah. Maybe a LED.
LED down there.
Yeah.
So.
Epoxy over the inductor is dark. Oh, you mean because it's yellowed there? Yeah, that could be a thing, yeah.
So the guy said if he waggles the wire.
It's a chip. Thank you, Dutch.
3-channel wine driver. Which one, Robin?
Robin. Wow, that was fast.
Which one's the 3-channel wine driver? The E200P?
Probably the EX, the E200P, the big one, I guess. Maybe I'm wrong with the diodes, because this is a weird constellation for diodes.
I think that might be limiting the size of the pulses to 0.6.
Oh, these could be protective things for the data bus. So you get a Zener diode, and it limits the voltage to.
Can we say if that's an LED down there?
You probably have to remove the circuit board for that.
No, let's measure it. Well, let's get the multimeter. Yeah. Come on, let's get this on the table. Let's get the multimeter.
3-channel differential line driver. Thank you.
Which chip? Yeah, Carthor, which chip is the 3-channel thingy?
Oh, there's black box on the screen. Yeah, I saw this.
Oh, sorry. Yeah,
Richard clicked somewhere.
That's...
This is not a controlled environment anymore.
No.
Carlos is not here. Yeah.
No. Unsupervised.
Yeah.
So
VXW1. Okay.
VXW. Okay. So if this is an LED, it should read like an LED.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 0.68. That reads like a diode. Even an infrared LED would read about 1.
Yeah.
Well, whatever the sensor is, it reads very much like a 0.68. It reads very much like a silicon.
Didn't you say that the fault here was that the cable was somewhere?
Yeah. The fault.
Yeah.
Hold on. Look.
I'm holding.
If I go the other way, it reads 1.12. Can you see on the meter?
Yeah, I see that. We see this. Yeah.
That is what you'd expect for an infrared LED.
Yeah,
exactly.
Same,
so what we have is a diode which is wired across it in the reverse direction for whatever reason.
So, is that the thing you couldn't get open on your main terminal?
Yes.
Yes. Needed the swarm intelligence to open this up. Yeah.
Yep. So this looks like it's an LED.
Mm-hmm.
But then you'd think, right, if this is like 2 optical discs, one fixed and one moving, then the light would have to shine through from a light source and be picked up by a sensor, and I can only see 2 wires going down there.
Let me try to get now.
Do you see what I mean? I can only see 2 wires going into there.
Yeah, I see.
And if it was shining a light through, which is how the ones I've seen work, you would actually have a light source and then a photosensitive detector.
Can you get this under the microscope? I think the light. This is way better than when I'm trying to do this here. Yeah, the light is way better.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can only see these 2 connections which go inside this.
Can we remove the bolts down there? Because then we can see when we move the whole assembly what it does.
Oh yeah, he said it doesn't matter if we break it. So.
Well, now you can fix this because if it's only the cable, you know.
Exactly.
And you can.
But if I
write them a big invoice.
No, if you look at this, let me get under the microscope again. Yeah. If I move it, it's moving something in the back of it. Oh, that must be where the sensor is.
Look at this. This is the sensor. This squarish thing behind the LED
is the sensor.
Yeah. Look at this. This is surface mounted something. Yeah. And this is probably like a rotary encoder.
And there's some sort of... Okay, let's take these bolts out and let's see what happens. Let's see. So I need some tools.
Yep.
Okay.
Good thinking.
What is it? Hopefully one of these will do the job.
2 layers of PCBs on top of a PCB. Yep. thought the same. But this could be a standard module or something. Take a picture first. Paul, we get video here.
Okay, so let's have a look. What is this thing anyway?
Okay, Richard's gone in.
Let's find out if it's the right size.
Prepare for blood.
That might be a bit too big. That's too small. That's too small. Yeah.
Sorry.
Talking about it, so last night we were filming here on Gran Canaria Uncovered. They had a big party on the beach. First time they've done it this year, this summer party. And I had this theory that people have said, how do you get all the girls and people to play up and dance?
Oh yeah, you want to tell the story.
On the cameras. So I said, well, A, they just do, and B, there's a bit of editing going on. So I on the video goes like the 65% of them as do, yeah. So anyway, I'd seen at one of the other parades, there's a guy there with a huge camera, like a massive big Sony thing with lights on and microphones. And I noticed that he was getting, every time the girls come along saw him, they'd go over to him and pose and dance and whatever. So I said to Death, I said, you know what? I said, I think with these girls, it's all down to the size of your equipment. The bigger equipment you've got, the more interested they are in you. and Jack said, well, yeah, girls are kind of like that. So today we added a big fill light onto my gimbal and phone.
We don't have a setup here now, right?
No, we don't have the setup here, but we put a big fill light on. You'll see it on the next video when I publish it, because I get in shot. So we've got a huge fill light on the camera, like this massive equipment. And it's dead right. The girls all come running over to you. I mean, I'm filming one group and they're all dancing away. I can't get this out of here, by the way.
Yeah, I see. This is why I was cutting away. I thought, okay, show something different while we're messing around there.
It's well jammed in here. I've got it.
Yeah.
So anyway, I've got this what was like very impressive equipment I got last night, and they do. So I've got like 5 or 6 girls all dancing and twerking, whatever. And to the side, there's another group of 5 or 6 waiting their turn. They're like queuing up. I got on. I went,
it like a Polaroid picture.
Yeah. I went to the.
Women like big equipment.
Yeah.
See?
So I went over to the stage.
Just ask Dutch about these things.
Yeah.
He knows this.
He knows
stuff. Yeah.
And I showed the security guy. Says, "Can I film from the stage?" He says, "Yeah." They let me on. When I came off the stage, some people came over to me, asked me if are you working for the TV station?
Richie, service and hello. And to you, my
friend. Hey. That one's off.
You got more than 2? Oh, yes, there's a third one.
No, there's a third one. Then we
There's always a third one.
Of course. Yeah, so it's true. Women like big equipment. It's absolutely. Okay, so all 3 bolts are out.
All right.
But it went. I'm not sure it'll move. Oh, something's happening.
Probably the LED is somewhat fixed in there.
We've got to unsolder the LED.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Because it's a fiddly one. Can you entertain these people for 2 minutes? I'll just take it to my bench and do it.
Oh, you want to entertain it?
Can you entertain them?
Yeah, I think I can. Because what we're thinking about this, because the Gran Canaria Cover now has so much stuff, so much gear. We have 4 drones. Don't tell them anyway. And we're running around with DJI pockets. We have 2 of them. Rich has this ginormous phone with a whole hem thingy, which we don't have here. Is this something you guys want to see, where we could do a backstage video or how we produce these kind of things? Is this something for you guys? Would you be interested? Let me know in the comments about this. Yeah. And now I'm out of ideas. Crap. So solder faster.
Give me a moment.
Who wants to see Richard's big equipment? Yeah, no, thank you. Yeah, we don't do this.
I don't think it's on that. It's on the video I'm putting together in a couple of days.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're really running around with one of these fill lights. So yeah, sure, behind the scenes can be interesting. Said Dutch. And yeah, nobody wants to see your equipment, by the way.
Okay, it's understandable.
It's always interesting to see how you make your videos. Yeah, this is one point is the production. This is the point that I really enjoy running without this. And we had this extension pole here. No, I can't show this because we need to do this outside. And yeah, we were going for this big movement on there. And yesterday I was flying the drone over the coast down there, and actually there came some police around, and they told me, "Oh, no. They were pretty easy with that, but they told me, no, don't fly there." But I had already all my equipment to put together. Yeah, that should be X-rated.
Okay,
you got something for the people.
I have something for the people. So,
all right,
microscope
coming up. Go there.
So this is what's behind there, and it is like a glass disc thing. I thought I'd see like lines etched into that. Oh, can you see it? Like a diffraction pattern.
Oh yeah, you can see. Okay, I can't show this to people. Yeah.
No, but you can clearly see it.
Yeah.
So in this like edge bit here, this bit near the edge is where all the lines are, and they're so finely etched, like they're so fine.
Can you get closer?
I can try and get closer.
You probably can get closer.
Thank you. Yeah. So in that thing at the edge, I can see it clearly on the full screen here.
Yeah, it's over here too. You should be able to see this in the video stream.
Like all the lines etched in this disc thing here. So that's the diffraction thing. So this here must be a light source. It must be an LED, infrared probably.
Yeah. Richard asked, how difficult is it to start a drone in your place? I think you have no rules or nobody's interested. Well, we are the EU. So all the rules that you got if you're in the EU applies here too. But you're right, nobody's really interested in this kind of things here. Yeah.
We're basically Africa. We're in the EU, but we're close to Africa, and we have an African mentality, I think, here. So that's the sensor. Again, let me put it on top of these things.
Could this be a camera thing?
It could well be a camera thing.
Because this looks very much like something, like a mouse, like a mouse sensor or something.
There's like 2 dots on it. No, it's a bit grubby actually.
No, look at this, there are dots.
Oh, there are dots.
This is not just,
OF2RZ, that's the sensor thing.
Yeah. Who slows down the part of videos with the mounting jogs? That was Richard's
idea,
of course.
that was Richard's idea based on Det showing me how to do it. An actual fact.
In Germany, it's not so. Yeah, I know. I was when I was down in Germany, I had one of the drones with me, and went to friends that worked at the university, and I said, "Come on, let's fly the thing." And they said, "Oh, let's be careful because police will be around here." And I said, "What?"
The way of saying the police. I think what it comes down to here, they're not bothered.
No, as long as you're not being a dick, yeah, this is fine. Yeah.
Basic interrupt counter.
Yeah. Probably something like that. Yeah.
What's that? What this thing? The sensor.
What gives you impulses at every time the thing is turned, and this is probably in a really high resolution.
I would think so,
judging by the etching on the discs there.
Do you think that should be cleaned?
Probably. I'm not sure what the 2 dots do there, because this really looks like 2 dots, and I don't want to use anything pointy on the.
No, but you know what the guy said the problem was with the wire and the end of the wire. So I'm assuming as they normally break somewhere here, and I think the answer is to just cut a few inches off the wire. I'll ask him if there's enough room to do that.
Yeah, and then let's see if this could be repaired, because they're coming around regularly, right?
Yeah.
So this would be good for them, because if you can repair these things,
exactly,
it's probably cheaper than to. Can't fly a drone here too close to the airport. Yeah. I'm about an hour away from Maastricht. Really? An hour away? How much kilometers are these? Because there's a no-fly restriction zone around the airports, of course. We have the same down here, but our airport is how far away? 20?
From us?
Yeah, from us, yeah.
Oh, it's 28 kilometers.
Yeah, so
from here.
Yeah, to be on the safe side, 30 kilometers, but we can fly here fine.
Yeah. But have you ever noticed the planes don't fly over here? The flight path doesn't come.
Yeah, but there are fly zones around here. But
Yeah.
there's 5 kilometers normally around the airport.
Yeah.
So you should be fine with that, because this is a European regulation. So
Yeah.
Maybe I should do a video. I should do a video about this drone crap.
Okay, so we can continue with this one on my channel. I'll try to cut the wire off and whatever. But yeah, joint effort. We've got the thing open.
Yeah.
Or Deck did.
No, come on, we did. Oh, everybody did. Yeah, all the people.
All the people.
Thank
did.
you, guys.
All the people did.
Yeah.
Okay, so another thing we need to talk about is the live stream. So we've had the electronics channel live streaming for a bit over a year now.
Yeah, I think so.
It's up to July, and we have enough subscribers. Oh, devices in the optical interferometer.
Interferometer.
Not an interferometer.
No.
Okay, anyway, so I'm
I
distracted.
heard this before. Thank you, Robin, for that.
Yeah, I'm distracted. So we've had the live stream money for a bit over a year. We have enough subscribers to monetize the channel, which basically means we get paid for doing it. But we don't have enough watch hours. You need 4,000.
Cool, right? Drinking beer, having fun, and getting paid for that.
Yeah, getting paid for that. Yeah. So I don't have to pay for the beer though. So,
didn't I bring the beer?
no, you brought the Doradas.
Oh yeah, I know when to bring Dorada. Yeah, true.
Yeah. Anyway, so the upshot is, because we're only streaming every second week for 2 hours, we can't get enough watch hours to get paid for what we're doing here. The only way we could do that would probably be to stream twice as often. And the watch hours are like a rolling 12-month window. So as you get more hours, the ones from more than 12 months ago fall off the end again. Whereas subscribers just build up. So Detlef and myself and Carlos had a very good talk about this, and the best solution we can come up with, because we would just like to make a bit for ourselves, is to move the live stream onto my channel, because of all the 3 channels, mine is the only one that's actually monetized. Carlos and Det have enough subscribers, but not enough hours again. So mine's the only one that actually reaches the threshold. And then because I can see the money made off each video, we can divvy it out. So how do you guys feel if we move this live stream, same schedule, same time, everything else, just onto my channel?
We put a video on here that says permanently moved to.
Yeah, we put a thing on just permanently moved to. So same time, everything else, it would just be a feature on my channel. What do you guys think? Any problem with that?
Yeah. Any problems? Let us know if you think, oh, this is not a good idea. Of course, reasons.
Yeah.
But all the people here, go for it. Yeah, fine with it. Yeah. Because format won't change. It would be absolutely the same, but we have some pocket money to spend on cheap Chinese crap.
Yeah.
So everybody wins.
I mean, you don't make that much money. I'll give you an idea. So if there's 10,000 views on a video, and these are not getting that, 10,000 views on a video will give you about $70, depending on the RPM, revenue per 1,000, and mine is about that. So yeah, so it basically means that we might make 20 or 30 euros for doing this, split 3 ways.
Yeah. So with beer and Coke and cheap Chinese crap.
Yeah, it'll just cover that.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not going to get rich.
Yeah, and giveaways could be a thing, right?
Yeah, if we can get more giveaways, we'll happily do that.
Yeah.
We'll happily do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. All mods get the same status, of course. Oh, of course. Yeah. Okay, so we'll try it then. So the next one will be on my channel, but it'll be the same setup, same people, same format, everything else. Nothing else will change.
Might be a better strategy to combine the channels if you are trying to increase the numbers,
agreed.
so your monetization value is increased.
Yeah. Okay, so as for the next
Mike
one,
says only 8 likes for the stream. Oh, thank you, Mike.
Yeah. I mean, we're not going to close this channel or delete it. It will still sit here, so the streams that are here will still be here, so that won't change.
Go for it, logical approach.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. So next one will be on learning electronics repair. And we have
if you can get the tech running. Because we have to switch all the crap down here, yeah.
It's set up for the channel to do it, but yeah, we have to. We'll probably have to do. Can we just feel that the Unreal tournament isn't streaming?
Well, we could. Carlos
Yeah.
could. You could.
Carlos,
stream,
you could.
Yeah, you could stream this on your channel. By the way, when do we play this? Carlos is waiting for this. I'm just saying.
I'm happy to give it a go.
I know.
I'm happy to give that a go.
You guys do what you want to do. Yeah.
Yeah,
well, yeah.
Okay, we do it. We do it. Oh, we got another like.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah. That's a strange thing on Uncovered. We have like one video with like 40,000 views now, but there's about 6 comments and maybe 100 likes or something.
Yeah.
People prefer to be silent a lot, it would seem.
Yeah, well, you know, we talked about this. Probably the target audience is more. Well, they probably don't want the fiancés know and the wives know what they're looking at, and
Possibly.
Yeah.
Possibly. Actually, Uncovered, we can monetize. It has about 16,500 views, more than 1,000 subscribers. And I will do, just haven't done it yet.
Well, it doesn't change anything for you guys. So if you
No.
watch it, it's the same.
It'll still be the same.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I think.
Yeah, Dutch, absolutely. About the comments, we watch live, so we know there's no need for comments. Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. Agreed.
Absolutely, yeah.
Agreed.
Yeah. Sorry, Richard. What most toy? Robin says, "Sorry, Richard. I watch most toy videos on my TV. Cannot like on TV."
Oh, okay.
I think we're fine. Yeah.
No, I'm not. I have no complaints.
Yeah.
And the interesting thing is on all the channels, what likes I do get, like almost all of my videos are 98% or more. Very unusual. If it's less, it's 96 or something. So yeah,
I switch you over to the other display because Richard is watching our videos up there.
there's nothing new, but this video has 40,000 views. It's the most popular on here, but it only has 150 likes. 40,000 views and 158 likes.
And this isn't one of the, I'd say, none of the interesting videos, because it's just us walking down at the next to DOS and filming bouncy stuff.
I think
this is the one with the cat.
This is the one with the cat. I think, in all honesty, it was this sequence that generally did it. And actually, this was meant as a joke because I should have put on the screen. Wait for the pussy shot, because straight from this bit, you get. So that was actually meant to be humorous, but for some reason, 40,000 people like to watch it, but only 158 click like.
Nobody can guess why.
No.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you very much.
Oh, these guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And look at this. We have to check out SX64 man. Yeah. We have to do this.
If we can find one. Find this side. Yeah, we come and find your side with your portable Commodore 64.
Yeah.
Which I don't remember ever seeing one.
Okay. Anything you guys want to ask us? Doing the ask us anything.
Yeah, because you've got until this beer evaporates.
Yeah. This is not so much. Yeah.
Once it evaporates.
Need a cardboard in-person video.
We talked about it. We talked about it this morning, and I was actually going to do it today, but Detlef had the camera with the microphone on from last night, so we actually said this morning, next week we're going to do a car booty in-person video.
Yeah. We'll bring you with us. Yeah.
We'll bring you with. One guy's got a lot of vintage test equipment on there at the moment. It's strange things, so we'll go and film this.
True. Yeah.
There was no. I didn't buy anything today. Just those lighters.
Yeah. I would like to see Richard to repair an Amiga 500 or 600 or 1000.
I used to repair them back in the day, the Amiga 500s.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was usually the fat anglers. They had the square chip. It was like a kind of a PLCC chip fitted into a socket, and the socket would crack or it would come loose. Yeah. Car booty. Yeah, with next Sunday.
And that is obvious. A good local B&B. The Bandit Hobbies. If you want to come over, let us know in a private chat, and we'll fix you up with.
We'll fix you up
with something where you can stay. No problem there.
Yeah. And the same if you want to be picked up from the airport and taken back to the airport.
Yeah.
So
and we'll show you the nice restaurants.
Yeah. So if you come on Embedded Hobbies, if you come over to my channel, you go into the About, and you'll see the email address there, electroniccanaria@outlook.com. Just email me on there.
Yeah.
If you don't get an answer, do it again, because you might end up in the junk folder. I don't always look.
Oh crap! There's a comment I was afraid of. I like that programming. Yeah. Well, you know, guys, if you watch my channel, you saw that I didn't do anything the last 3 months, and I'm afraid this will stay that way because
He's taking a sabbatical.
That's what Richard. That's what Richard is hoping for. But I think it's more a thing.
It's taking a long sabbatical.
You know, I love the filming part. When we are with the cameras, I love this. But I hate editing. I really hate editing. This is not. I don't like editing a bit. I hate editing, and I hate editing double and 3 times and 4 times when I do my own stuff because I listen to my voice all the time, and I'm not really good in doing this in one piece. So I had to cut everything. I'm dying there, and yeah, this is killing me. And when I came over here, I said, okay, I want to sit less in front of a computer than I did in Germany. So this comes all together with that. Yeah. So Gordon,
okay,
that could be a problem.
So is it at the moment? It's a sabbatical. If you feel like at some point doing it, you'll do it.
Thanks, mate.
One of them.
Yeah. And these kinds are still. I'm doing the cameos over at Richard's channel. Yeah. Big fun. Yeah.
Richard enjoying the repairs. Audio equipment. At the moment, I've got a company just bringing me a lot of stuff to repair. And
you should see the store. It's filled with amplifiers and mixers.
Yeah. And the promise of more. A lot of characteristics the same but different. More. I'm not quite sure what it is. Huh?
A 6-man is in Tenerife.
Oh, it's in Tenerife. Yeah, you're a bit too far away from us.
Well, you know, we could go there. €5 for the.
Oh yeah, we get 75% off flights.
Yeah.
Possible, depending. but SX64, man, if you ever find yourself on Gran Canaria, you know to get in touch with us. Where's with Richard? Did you build? No, I haven't built the dummy loads yet, but I am going to do it. But it won't be anything very complicated. It'll be some big resistors, basically. Oh, he's on the cruise ship. Yeah.
Oh, you're on a cruise ship.
You're going to enjoy it. You're going to enjoy it.
Yeah. Yeah, you will. Yeah. Tenerife is nice. Try to make it to GC one of these days. Yeah, please do.
Yeah, come over. You know where we are.
Yeah, we're not going away.
Nope.
No way.
No way. I think.
Yeah.
I think we didn't do bad there.
Yeah, I think without Carlos this is hard.
Something missing. It is hard. This is more difficult without Carlos. And thank you guys for watching us anyway without Carlos.
Right, my friend. Carlos, get well soon.
Get well, mate.
Yeah, get well. Yeah. And we'll see everybody.
Oh, we can do it now
in a fortnight, and
that one
on your channel, right?
Oh yeah, in 2 weeks on my channel, same time.
Yeah,
different place.
We do, guys.
Yeah. Ciao for now.
There's the camera. Okay, ciao for now, guys. Bye.